We present GRAM, a novel 3D-aware GAN that can generate photorealistic and multi-view consistent 2D images of virtual subjects. This work is done by researchers from Tsinghua University, Microsoft Research Asia, and University of Science and Technology of China. Given unstructured 2D images as training data, 3D-aware GANs can not only learn to generate realistic images of virtual subjects, but also control the camera viewpoints of the generated contents. The key factor to achieve this is an incorporation of an underlying 3D representation, where state-of-the-art methods leverage neural radiance field due to its superiority at novel view synthesis. However, the high memory and computation cost of NERV greatly restricts the number of point samples for its volumetric rendering for GAN training. And the limited sampling budgets, 2D images produced by NERV often contain severe noise patterns, which make the training process unstable. In addition, fine details of the scene can be easily missed with only dozens of sampling points. As a result, existing methods still cannot generate highly realistic images with adequate details. Some methods alleviate this problem by introducing an extra 2D CNN as a neural renderer, but they sacrifice the 3D consistency between multi-view images. To tackle this problem, we propose a novel 3D representation called Radiance Manifolds. The key idea is to regulate point sampling and radiance field learning on 2D surface manifolds instead of in the whole 3D space. During image rendering process, we calculate ray surface intersections for each viewing ray and accumulate the radiance of these intersections to obtain a 2D image, rather than sampling points in the volumetric space in a Monte Carlo fashion as in NERV. In this way, we not only eliminate the noise patterns caused by inadequate Monte Carlo sampling, but also greatly facilitates fine details learning, as the network can easily learn to generate scene structures and texture details on the surface manifolds. Our surface manifolds are defined by an MLP called manifold predictor. It represents a scalar implicit field in the 3D space. Given a set of predefined scalar levels, we can obtain the corresponding isosurfaces of the implicit field, which forms the surface manifolds that are shared across the whole category. Given certain camera viewpoints, we calculate ray surface intersections and send them along with a random noise to another MLP called Radiance generator to obtain their color and occupancy. By integrating the radiance of the intersections along each ray, we can finally obtain a 2D image of the generated instance. We enforce a typical adversarial loss between the synthesized images and real ones to train all networks end-to-end. After training, our method can generate high-quality images with fine details and achieves highly consistent results across different views. We can not only generate images for human faces and cats under limited viewing angles, but also generate car images with a wide pose range. We compare our method with existing 3D-aware GANs. Our method significantly outperforms them in terms of both generation quality and 3D consistency. We visualize our learned surface manifolds for different categories. Initially, the surfaces are positioned across the whole space. During training, they can gradually adjust their shape and position to fit the distribution of the generated instance for better image generation. We further show the radiance generated on each surface. As shown, the network is able to learn high-frequency details and thin structures on each surface. In addition, we can extract proxy 3D shapes of the generated instance. The 3D shapes contain adequate details such as bounds and whiskers, which cannot be seen in previous methods. Finally, our method can be applied to real image editing. By embedding real images into the latent space of the generator, we can obtain their corresponding radiance manifolds representation and generate their novel view images. In summary, we propose a novel 3D-aware GAN based on generative radiance manifolds that achieves high quality and multi-view consistent image generation. For more details, please check our project page. Thank you.